Creating a new file.
To create a new file, press Ctrl+N from the keyboard or click on the File New option from the menu bar. This will open the new image dialog box with the following options.
Template. It represents image types that are commonly useful. The template sets values for the size, resolution, comments, etc. Image size. It specifies the width and height of the new document in pixels, centimeters, inches, points, millimeters, etc. Portrait or landscape button. It toggles between portrait and landscape mode. This exchanges the values for width and height. When you click on Advanced Options, Create a New Image dialog box appears and you get some more options. X and Y resolution. The values in the X resolution and Y resolution fields relate mainly to printing. They usually determine physical size of the image when it is printed. Color space. You can create the new image in different color modes, RGB or grayscale. Fill with. Selects the initial background content of the new document.